Wombats, the underground tanks of Australia. Meet the Wombat, Australia's chunky underground bulldozer. These adorable marsupials might look slow, but they're built like tanks, with strong legs, sharp claws, and a powerful backside. Wombats are expert diggers. Their burrows can stretch over 30 meters long, with multiple tunnels and sleeping chambers. And yes, their poop is cube-shaped. It helps mark territory and keeps it from rolling away. Weird, but genius. Predator alert? Wombats use their butt as a shield. Their rear end is made of cartilage, perfect for blocking tunnel entrances from intruders. Tough, cute, and oddly brilliant, wombats are true Aussie legends. Which fact blew your mind? Tell us in the comments.